In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield wipers on your Kia Soul. They're located on the windshield. All right, the first thing you're going to do is take off any plastic pieces that are protecting the blade. And next thing you're going to do is measure your blade up against your old one. Make sure it's the same length. Next, you can pull your arm up. Makes it easier so you can reach it. And behind here, there's a little tab. Sometimes it's a push in, and sometimes it's a push out. This one's a push out. So we're going to push it out and slide the wiper down like that, so it fits right in there. And put that down. And then to install, it's the reverse. I'm going to line it up and then slide it up. You should hear a click like that when it's done. Now you can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.